Looking at this problem from 8-1, we're going to apply a dilation to the polygon. So we got this polygon right here, E, F, G, H. And we're going to come up with the new vertices and describe the dilation as either a reduction or an enlargement. So they're giving us the rule here. Now this is the mathematical notation to tell us we take every point and we're going to multiply it by 0.75. So that's actually giving us our scale factor. Our scale factor is 0.75. So without even doing any of the math, we can actually answer this question, whether it's a reduction or an enlargement, right away, because this value is less than 1. If your k value is less than 1, then you have a reduction. So we know that this is going to get smaller. It's going to be 75% of the original value. So we need to take every single one of these points. So like, for instance, to find E prime, the new E, we're going to take our original E values, which were -4 and 6, and then we're going to multiply them by the scale factor. So it's going to be 0.75 times 4 and 0.75 times 6. And I will make the calculator do that. These are supposed to be parentheses here. So we'll do 0.75 times 4. Nope, that's not right. 0.75 times 4. So that's going to give us 3. And then we do 0.75 times 6. That's going to be 4.5. So that is our E prime. 3, 4.5. And then we repeat that process for all of them. So we're with F, we're at -2, 2. So we'll do 0.75 times 2. That's going to give me 1.5. Actually, it's going to be a -1.5 because it's a negative value. That one's a positive value. I don't really need to do that multiplication twice because it's both times 2. So -1.5, 1.5. To find G prime, we're going to do 0.75 times 4. And then we're going to do 0.75 times -2. So G prime, 0.75 times 4, which is 3. And 0.75 times -2, -1.5. So that's our G prime. And then the last one is H, which is 4, 4. We've already done that math. 0.75 times 4, I know is 3. So this is H prime is going to become 3, 3. These are all my new coordinates. E prime, F prime, G prime, H prime. I'll go ahead and plot these. Let's see, E prime is at 3. Ooh, that's a mistake. That's a -4. That should be a -3. Look, I had the negative there, but I wrote it down as a positive. Were you screaming at YouTube this whole time? Should be negative. We fixed it now. All right, so -3. And then we are at 1.5. -3. Oh, 4.5, sorry. 2, 3, 4, right there. So that's my E prime. Go ahead and label that with a pen as E prime. My H prime is 3, 3. So that's going to be right here, 0 over 3, 3. There it is. I'll just do it with the highlighter. We're not H prime. G prime here is 3, -1.5. Yep, that looks good. G prime, and then just need to do F prime, -1.5, 1.5. So that's my F prime. And then if I connect these, could be using a straight edge here. Maybe look a little better. But this figure has been shrunken down towards the origin. It's been reduced and kind of shrinking down towards the origin there with our new coordinates. So we've got the new coordinates all listed here. We've got the graph right there. That was everything they asked us for. Hope that's helpful. Message me anytime with questions.